This is Chris Downs reporting for IMTS TV. I'm over here in the West Hall at booth 1910, talking with Mike Powell, the president of Master WorkHolding. Mike, thanks for taking the time to join us today.
Certainly.
Mike, we're going to talk a little bit today about innovation. I heard that you guys have a lot of interesting 3D printed fixtures here. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Sure. This year we decided to bring 3D printed fixtures because it's easier to move, easier to stage, and we're able to show more product. To bring actual fixtures would be impossible. So we scaled everything down, brought a lot of ideas, and it's brought a lot of people to our booth because we have something that's similar to their product. We have more variety.
Very interesting, and I understand that a lot of the stuff, all the stuff you do basically is custom for the customer. Is that correct?
That's correct. Everything we do is custom. We design and build and assemble, test, and we supply and install on the customer's floor, help them run off their parts. That's correct.
Awesome. And what sort of industries are your customers in? We
serve the automotive, the aerospace, defense, heavy equipment, trucking. Really, if it's a part that gets machined, we make WorkHolding for it, or we have. We've been in business for 28 years. So in 28 years, we've pretty much made a fixture for almost any part that's being machined.
Very cool. And I understand one of the new products you have here is a clamp. Could you tell me a little bit more about that?
Sure. Innovation is not a static commodity. So a lot of times we'll design a new product or a new idea and then we improve on it. So a lot of our innovation is improvements on old innovation. And this is a good example of that. We have a HPRP here that we designed and then we refined it into be a CHP. And this is a unit that when the hydraulics fire, the clamp goes over. It's a very small, the actual unit is only this size. It's only this big. So this is a very powerful clamp. It has 1,000 pounds of force, and it works both as part retention, and then it works as a hydraulic clamp both. So it's really an innovative idea. But the first one we designed had a piston in it, and the second one has a link in it. You can see the link right there. So we've improved on an old design. We still use these, but now we have a reason to use these. The old one's like 600 pounds of force. The new one has 1,000. They do a little different jobs, but they're both very innovative. A lot of our innovation is just improvements on old innovation. But really, every fixture, every component that we fixture up for, the innovation to machine this part will be different than the innovation to machine that part or this part. So innovation is something that you have to. This is the holy grail right here. This is what keeps us all in business.
Right.
Everybody's at IMTS because of parts like this,
right.
And so we're machining these parts. Not everybody, but many of us are, and this is really what we do. And the WorkHolding that we designed to machine these parts. But what's innovative for one part's not innovative for another. So innovation's really a moving target, and we have to find the best, most innovative approach for every part we build WorkHolding for.
Okay. Mike, thanks for taking the time to talk to us. If you guys want to learn more about Master WorkHolding, come on over to the West Hall in booth 1910 or go to their website, www.masterworkholding.com. Thanks and have a great day at IMTS.